Hi friends, welcome to Mech Plaza. Today we are going to talk about what is the pump and how the pump operates and the pump application. Let's see. A pump is a device that moves fluids, liquids or gases, or sometimes slurries, by mechanical action. Pumps can be classified into three major groups according to the method they use to move the fluid. 1. Direct lift. 2. Displacement. And 3. Gravity pumps. Pumps operate by some mechanism, typically reciprocating or rotary, and consume energy to perform mechanical work for moving the fluid. Pumps operate via many energy sources, including manual operation, electricity, engines, or wind power. Come in many sizes, from microscopic for use in medical applications to large industrial pumps. Mechanical pumps serve in a wide range of applications such as pumping water from wells, aquarium filtering, pond filtering and aeration, in the car industry for water cooling and fuel injection, in the energy industry for pumping oil and natural gas, for operating cooling towers. In the medical industry, pumps are used for biochemical processes in developing and manufacturing medicine, and as artificial replacements for body parts. In particular the artificial heart and penile prosthesis. When a casing contains only one revolving impeller, it is called a single-stage pump. When a casing contains two or more revolving impellers, it is called a double or multi-stage pump.